Bitcoin eyes $52,000 as more corporate money comes rushing in. We will talk about that and much more on this episode of Max Crypto News. Hey, Grand Rising family, I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. Yes, family, y'all heard it right. Bitcoin is eyeing 52K. It's coming like a whirlwind storm, family. Also, you have these banks and corporate institutions that are still pushing money in as Bitcoin really goes mainstream. Family, listen, if you're not subscribed to Bittrex on YouTube, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button, man. Look, go hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if you like the content, hit that like button, family. Listen, this market right now is doing things that has never been done before. So if you want to keep up with the latest news, hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, family. Listen, we got about 11 more days left. After February the 28th, I will not be offering my advanced crypto class no more. So family, you have about 11 days left to join this advanced crypto class. It's a $100 fee. You can email me the money at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. I mean, you can send me an email at maxcryptonews@gmail.com, or you can email me at bmac252.sf@gmail.com. It is a one-time $99 fee, and with that fee, you will get access to 6 to 8 weeks worth of videos and information that will help you grow in this market. Also, I will add you to my personal email list when I send out notifications, chart studies, and stuff that I see as I'm looking at the chart, family, right? But with that being said, family, we about to jump in, yo. I hope y'all are paying attention to this market. I hope y'all are active in this market, and I hope that you're making money while this market is going up, family, right? Because at the end of the day, this is what we are here for. And those crypto people like me who love crypto, listen, we are doing it. And we're going to talk a little bit about that as we move forward. So let me share my screen, family. And we're going to jump right in here. All right, first we're going to go to Coin Market Cap. You know, I always like to start off right here at Coin Market Cap, see what's going on. We can see the total market cap is $1,543,000,000,000. Yo, y'all remember when I was saying before we got to the 1 trillion mark, I was like, yo, we was at 500 billion, and I'm saying, yo, we're gonna get to the 1 trillion. Now we at 1,500,000,000,000, and 200 trillion is coming. It is coming, family. Mark my words, right? So let's see what's going on. Bitcoin been taking off since last night. Bitcoin at $51,340. Bitcoin in here $51,313. It just changed. Up basically 5%, because the price is constantly moving, family. Look, family, let's check out this chart real fast. Yeah, so Bitcoin set a new all-time high over the night at $51,721. That's the all-time high that it set over the night. We can look at this chart. This is a 30-minute chart. We're gonna look at the chart first. Let's go. Let's start with we'll start with the 5-minute and work our way out. So family, we can see that Bitcoin hit this all-time high, set a new all-time high. It was around 4:50 a.m. Since then, we got right back here again around 6:45 a.m. Minor pullback, but we have a bullish cross right here. We're not oversold in the RSI. That is great according to this 5-minute chart. We're not oversold, so we're under the RSI, bullish cross, and we can see have a minor pullback right here, which is always we expect in the morning because it always happens. But we can see that, hey, this chart is looking good. Have we made a lower low? Lower low here. So, you know, we don't want to make no lower lows. We want to stay where we at, over the 51,000 range. We was a little bit oversold earlier. We got back under the RSI. Hey, it's looking good at the 5-minute. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. As we can see on the 30-minute chart, you can see we had a little bullish cross right here, a bearish cross actually. Price dipped a little bit, but now we had this bullish cross. Started last night and started us on our move. So we still looking good. The 30-minute was a little bit oversold, but we corrected and getting back in, allowing this 34-day moving average to catch up. But family, with this 13-day moving average, you know, we looking good overall. Yeah, looking real good, family. Let's get up out of here. We're gonna take a peep at the 1 minute, 1 hour chart. Yeah, same thing. Tried to have a bullish cross right here, but it never crossed and it took off. When we're at the top of the RSI, not oversold. We're moving up. Family, you know, when I was saying that we was gonna get over 50K, you know, now that we're over it, let's pay attention, but it's looking good, family, right? Yeah, like we can see right here, this is our trend. The trend is your friend, family. You see, you know, how we really haven't touched this. And if we keep following this trend with no lower lows, we're looking good, family. Hey, Bitcoin is looking good. That's all it is. It's looking good, family. Looking real good. Yeah, the trend is our friend. You can see it here in the RSI as well. But as long as we're not making no lower lows, stay above this trend line, we looking good, family. We're gonna look real good. So let's go to a little bit of something else, family. Hold on. Now, y'all know, listen, I've been promoting this GSX coin for a little while. You know, I think we getting the countdown is about over with. Let me see. Yeah, 13%. I think once you get all the way down to 0%, the ability to buy early will be over with. So, you know, it's a link in the description. Let me play this so you can see what this is about.
Introducing gold secured currency, better known as GSX, the first of a new genre of currencies called growth coins. A growth coin combines all of the best elements of a stable coin, an investment coin, and a traditional cryptocurrency into one secured currency. The benefits. 1. It's backed. GSX is trust-backed by land rights and gold. The starting value has been set with the assets backing GSX, now with many large-scale mines and refineries being added. These include a number of future alluvial and hard rock gold mines, copper mines, a tantalum mine, a nickel mine, and a lithium mine. 2. Trust ownership. GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of all land rights. What this means is that even if something was to happen to Apollo FinTech, the assets would be sold and the proceeds would go directly to the holders of GSX. 3. Growth. There will be a continual increase in the amount of mineral-rich land and gold backing of GSX. 50% of the metals mined after expenses and expansion will back GSX, so the asset value will grow constantly. The first-year minimum asset goal is $7 billion, making the individual asset value 23 cents to the US dollar per GSX. Second year is $20 billion in assets, making the asset value 66 cents per US dollar per GSX. And the third year is $30 billion in assets, making the asset value $1 per GSX. This trend should continue along a similar pace. 4. Audited. GSX gold and metal reserves will be continuously audited by some of the most respected auditing firms such as BVA. 5. Dividends. GSX holders are entitled to yearly dividends of 50% of all gold and metals mined and refined after expenses and expansion. 6. Coin burn. 50% of the $10 billion offered that is not sold in CDE will be burned. The value will move to the surviving GSX. 7. Redeemable. GSX will be redeemable for its gold value, so it will help to maintain a more constant price. 8. Quantum resistance. GSX will be one of the first quantum-resistant stable coins with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm. 9. Participation. GSX is more than an investment. It's an experience. Holders will be able to visit and stay at the main mine at the GSX Visitor Center. They will be able to participate in elements of mining, such as testing out equipment, watching explosives, prospecting with the pros, testing, and many more experiences that offer the true gold rush thrill. Furthermore, the team is planning to put up 24/7 live feed cameras, allowing holders the ability to take part in the action from the comfort of their home. Gold-secured currency is a new kind of investment, an investment that allows its holders the ability to watch their net worth expand, to collect profits, and even participate. Take part in the world's newest and most innovative financial tool and take part in history.
So family, there's a description that you can use to come and buy in right now. If you use my link, you get extra 5% buy-in bonus plus the 13% buy-in bonus. It looked real good, family. From what I've researched on this coin, it looked good. I'm not affiliated with this company. It's just something I saw, something I liked about it, and it just got my attention. So I decided that I would share it to y'all. And if you actually want to do it and look into it, remember, you always do your own research, family. Don't take nobody's word for anything. You do your own research, but from what I've seen, it looked very legit, right? So let's get right back to this market, family, because it's a lot to talk about, you know. We got Ethereum, $1,819, family. Up almost 2% today, looking real good. The DOT, you know, some news that came out that the DOT is trying to remove themselves from the Ethereum network to get away from them gas fees. If that happens, that's going to be very interesting to see how the price of the DOT reflects that, because I think that would be not COVID. I'm sorry, I'm talking about Uniswap. But the DOT is looking real good, family. At $30.60. You got ADA holding strong at 87 cents. It's still staying up. Y'all remember when ADA was 30-some cents, 20-some cents, And now, you know, with this staking going on, ADA has the most percentage of all its coins staked. And now they're mostly all staked on the ADA network. So ADA is really sitting back, been a sleeping giant for a while. And now it's starting to show its true colors. I told y'all the month of February, ADA and XLM was gonna lead this month. I'm not taking that back. ADA and XLM will continue to lead this month. Everybody gonna talk about Bitcoin, but ADA is actually gonna lead this charge. And we ain't seen the end of it. Watch this. XRP, 54 cents. Can't believe it, but it's actually still over 50 cents. You know, even though XRP was once number 3, and it's been moving down, been replaced by Polkadot and Cardano, XRP is still holding strong. You got Binance Coin, $143 up. Yo, Binance Coin has been that sleeper thing. And you see the total amount? It's only 154 million Binance coins out here. If you don't know, it's only 154 million out here. It has a small supply. It has a small supply, right? So just to let y'all know that. I throw that out there. You got Litecoin making this move, $222.99. Yo, y'all remember I told y'all to get Litecoin when it was $60? If you would have got Litecoin at $60, you would be done turned that basically almost 4 times. Getting close to 4 times that amount you would have turned the family. Ooh, almost 4 times. Wow. Listen, this market is, and Litecoin is primed to go. Whether y'all know it or not, Litecoin is primed to go to prime time. All right, family? Also, y'all know I've been, you know, talking a little bit about the Pi network, right? And how you can get a piece of the pie. You download the app, you put in Max Crypto News as your referral code, and you start getting this free pie, family. You start burning pie and getting it free, mining it straight to your phone. Matter of fact, let's check this out.
The future of money is evolving rapidly, and no one wants to be left behind. Mining Bitcoin is time and energy intensive, requires extensive physical resources, and advanced technical knowledge. Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain. Have a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution. Download Pi today for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie.
Yes, family. The Pi is real easy. You just download the app. Once you download the app, family, you will be able to start mining your pie to get your free piece of the pie, right? Every day, only thing you do, sign in to the app, your mine button, and it start mining, and your hash rate goes up, family. It does not kill your battery. It does not take data. The app is not that big, so you can get it and get in here and start making this money, family. Right? Because when Pi come out, oh man, y'all don't supposed to see Pancake yet. Y'all was a little premature now. But listen, buy Bitcoin Cash at $708. family. Bitcoin Cash, which is the original Bitcoin. If you don't know it, Bitcoin Cash is the original Bitcoin now. Now, sitting here at $700 with a target on his back about, I say 5,000. Easy, Bitcoin Cash. One of my sleepers. And Litecoin, they two of the sleepers that haven't really even started taking off yet, family. Pay attention. Listen to what I said. All right. That's all I'm telling you. Chainlink, $32.19. Chainlink done surpassed my XLM, but Chainlink rounds out the top 10. The link is looking good, man. At $32 is very good at Chainlink, especially when I jumped in. Chainlink was like $13. And some people, I was wondering when I jumped in, did I make a bad investment? 32, looking real good now. So let's go to a little bit of news. What's going on with the news, right? Here go an article that is talking about banks increasingly interested in Bitcoins, says Elliptic co-founder. So let's play this and hear what they're talking about.
Banks increasingly interested in Bitcoin, says Elliptic co-founder. Global banking institutions have been expressing more interest in Bitcoin, BTC, as the cryptocurrency consistently breaks new all-time highs, according to a new report. Tom Robinson, co-founder of major British crypto firm Elliptic, told The Telegraph Wednesday that his company saw a massive surge in Bitcoin-related inquiries from global banks. The executive noted a wave of Bitcoin-associated demand from United States-based banking institutions over the past 2 months. According to Robinson, several financial institutions in the U.S. are seriously considering launching some type of cryptocurrency service. British banks were the most reserved in terms of the demand's uptick, the exec reportedly said. Founded in 2013, Elliptic provides crypto intelligence services to high-profile customers like government agencies and cryptocurrency exchanges. The company works with state authorities including the U.S. Federal Bureau of Investigation. Megan Prendergast-Millard, managing director at the risk and compliance firm Guidepost Solutions, believes that the growing Bitcoin trend among traditional financial institutions is natural amid surging adoption. Prendergast-Millard reportedly said that it was logical for banks to begin opening up to digital currencies in a similar way to crypto exchanges in order to keep millennials and Generation Z on board. Financial institutions are looking to keep their customers and they need to think about who those people are, Prendergast-Millard noted. The new report comes shortly after Bank of New York Mellon, the oldest bank in the U.S., announced plans to hold and trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as an asset manager on behalf of its clients. Roman Riegelman, Senior Executive Vice President and Head of Digital at BNY Mellon, believes that the full incorporation of digital assets into the traditional banking infrastructure will take another 3 to 5 years.
So, family, as we can see, these banks are constantly trying their best to get their hands on Bitcoin and get involved because there's so much money. That is being made, family, right now. And they say they want to get involved also, right? So, XLM down 1.47% at 49 cents, doing a little minor pullback, family. But XLM, it will continue to go and run this month. So XLM is coming. What? There's no reason to believe that it will not get to at least 60 to 70 cents and stay there constantly. Even though right now it's up a good 20 cents from 30 cents, it's gonna pump some more, right? Dogecoin is still at 5 cents, number 13 in the total market cap. Uniswap coming down a little bit. Rumors were that Uniswap may be about to leave the Ethereum network. We will see how that work out, family. I'll talk a little bit more about that when information come out. AVE at $448, down a little bit. Cosmos $23.87. EOS at $4.83. Bitcoin SB $241.46, family. We got Monero at $251, family. Monero is making its move. Another OG. Tron is starting to flex a little bit to stand over 5 cents. It ain't flexed too much because Tron's supposed to go up a lot more, but it's flexing. Then you got IOTA. Y'all remember when IOTA was 20 cents, 25, 30 cents? $1.32 for IOTA right now. Tezos, $4.67, family. Right? This market is taking straight off, family. Go to a little bit more news. MicroStrategy to add Bitcoin, widening premium of shares. So MicroStrategy is starting to add more Bitcoin. They're going to add Bitcoin. Listen, MicroStrategy is adding to its wildly successful bet on Bitcoin by anyone scooping up the software maker stock as a proxy for crypto would be paying a hefty premium. The company plans to sell $60 million in convertible bonds to use the money to boost the Bitcoin stash. It said in a filing Tuesday. That follows a $1.15 billion of crypto purchases that began last summer and prompted MicroStrategy to announce a second pillar of its corporate strategy to acquire and hold Bitcoin. So far, the company's bet on the token has paid off. Bitcoin has rallied 316% since the end of August, tripling its investment to more than $3 billion. Its share price has also soared, added over $8 billion to its market value. MicroStrategy has been invested, putting that money in Bitcoin. It has paid off, and other companies will come. All this is about, are you able to capitalize off of it yourself? Like they are. Don't let these big boys be the only one to capitalize. Get in where you fit in, family, right? Let's get back to this chart, man. We looked at Tezos. NEM at 38 cents. NEO, $42.23. NEO, another one of my sleepers. Hey, $42 ain't nothing for NEO. That's all I want to say, right? Dash, $260, family. Y'all remember when Dash fell down to like 70-some dollars? When they were talking about delisting Dash and these privacy coins, Monero? Now look at it. The Graph. Now listen, I might do a show on the Graph because I remember when the Graph came out, everybody brought in the price. And what did I tell y'all? I said, yo, don't buy the Graph. Wait till it go under 30 cents. Once it hit 30 cents and below, buy in. That's what I said. That's what I done. Anybody that listened to me, How your portfolio looking? It didn't get under the 30. It got like the 27 cent. That was the lowest it got. It didn't get no lower. And I told y'all to wait. What price target? 30 cents. Look at that return. You know, right now at $2.10, if you got in at 30 cents, that's 7 times. Family. Yo, if you ain't in that class, and listen, y'all. Yo, you got 11 days. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. Y'all got 11 days, man. Hey, we're gonna move on to other things, right? Where we at? The graph. Elron. Hey, Elron got by me. I'm not gonna lie. You can't get Elron got by me. I ain't afraid to say it. It just beat me up. It snuck by me and just done skyrocketed. Look at Algorand. Algorand $1.01. Yo, I have videos on the channel. If you've been watching videos, go back a month or two. When I was talking about algae and the price it was. Hey, love this market, man. All right, so let's keep going. Zcash is up. Ethereum Classic has doubled. Zeal at 13 cents. Celsius at $5.65. BitTorrent looking good. Digibyte 7 cents. A Pancake Swap is at $9, up 30%. Family. Family. Pancake Swap is $9. Yo, let's get to some more. We're gonna get to some more news, family. All right, so let's find out what the corporate CFOs. Everybody gonna get in. Check it out, family.
It finds 5% of corporate CFOs plan to buy Bitcoin in 2021. A small-scale study of financial executives has found that 5% of companies intend to invest in Bitcoin, BTC, as a corporate asset this year, with a further 11% stating they could do so by 2024. The survey conducted by Gartner comes on the back of news that Tesla invested 8%, or $1.5 billion of its cash reserve, into Bitcoin. MicroStrategy Incorporated, who has also invested large sums into the token, announced a $600 million convertible bond offering Tuesday with the intent of using the proceeds to acquire additional Bitcoins. The 77 respondents, including 50 CFOs among other executives, showed highly differing views based on the industry the company works in. The technology sector showed the most attraction towards Bitcoin, with 50% of respondents from this industry anticipating holding the cryptocurrency in the future, with no difference based on the organization's size. Although the majority of those surveyed, 84%, stated their main concerns about investing revolves around the financial risk that comes from Bitcoin's high volatility, it also appears many are adopting a wait-and-see approach as the landscape develops. More than 70% stated that one of the top things they want to know is what others are doing with Bitcoin. Almost the same number want to hear more from regulators on the matter to aid in their understanding of the inherent risks with holding the digital asset. Gartner Chief of Research Alexander Bant noted that finance leaders who are tasked with ensuring financial stability are not prone to making speculative leaps into unknown territory, adding, "It's important to remember this is a nascent phenomenon in the long timeline of corporate assets. Finance leaders who are tasked with ensuring financial stability are not prone to making speculative leaps into unknown territory." Other concerns expressed included board risk aversion, 39%, slow adoption as an accepted form of payment or exchange, 38%, lack of understanding, 30%, cyber risks, 25%, and complex accounting treatment, 18%. While it's difficult to draw statistically significant results from such a small sample size, it is worth noting how increased corporate investment would impact Bitcoin. In the second half of 2020, companies outside of the financial and utility sectors in the S&P Global held approximately $2 trillion in cash reserves. This is currently more than double Bitcoin's current market cap, and as such, there is plenty of money available to flow into Bitcoin. The technology sector alone could have at least $640 billion to invest, though most companies so far have allocated only a small percentage to Bitcoin. Investment firm ARK Invest suggested earlier this month that if all S&P 500 companies were to allocate 1% of their cash to BTC, the digital assets price would increase by roughly $40,000, driving the price to just shy of $90,000. Should the corporate investments rise to 10% of cash reserves, ARK claims Bitcoin will increase by $400,000. The study represents a stark increase of awareness from Gartner's 2018 survey in which only 66% of CIOs even knew about blockchain technology.
All right, just some quick information that they said. It says that if all S&P 500 companies were to allocate 1% of their cash to BTC, that will push the price roughly another $40,000 up to make one Bitcoin worth $900K. Then it says, if the corporate investment rise to 10% of their cash reserves, ARK claims Bitcoin will increase by $400,000. That's the price, family. Now, what did I tell y'all that my target price for Bitcoin is $225,000 is the target price for Bitcoin that I think Bitcoin will get up to this year. And now they're starting to say it more and more. And they're just giving scenarios how it can happen, family. Hey, family, don't sleep on information. Family, do not sleep on information, family. Let's get back to the chart. Because he mentioned Tesla, right? But hold up. Matter of fact, we're going to go ahead and jump into Pancake Swap, right? Because I've been telling y'all about Pancake Swap. Now, if you're honest and you've been following my channel, probably the first time you heard anything about Pancake Swap, it came from me. And I told y'all that you can come to Pancake Swap and you can play the lottery. And this is, so look, at Pancake Swap is at $9 right now. So let's look at the last lottery. This was February the 15th was the last lottery. They're gonna have the next lottery is in 1 hour and 17 minutes. This was the winners. So 6 people had 3 numbers. So they won 811 swap. 811 times $9. You know, you close to $8,000, under 8,000. Then 2 people won 61 pancake. That's 405 times 9. You know, that's a little over 5,000, 4,000, still under $4,000 that they won. And that was a small drawing because, yeah, the prize pot was very small. So far, look at the total cake for this drawing, 25,884 total that's in this drawing. Family. Y'all, I done a video on Pancake Swap in the syrup pool about a month ago, y'all. And I told you how you could come here and farm, earn 142.20% APR daily, or you can come to the pools with the syrup pool. You know, I'm in the cake pool. This the pool I'm in, the cake pool, you know, where the interest rate is 138.95%. I don't have that much in here, you know, but I'm getting paid daily interest. You know, this is daily interest. Amount of cake I'm earning a day. It's close to one cake a day. Not exactly one, because I ain't got as much in here. But I take that $9 a day. I'll take it all day. $9 a day. Yeah, let me get my $9. But the price of pancake swap, okay. I'm gonna do something I usually don't do. Cause I've been gone. I'm back now. So I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of extra today. Today's gonna be a long class, or a long show. I'm gonna let y'all check out the chart of pancake swap. Oh, hold up. Oh, okay. There's something going on with let me come here then. It ain't. I ain't gonna be able to pull the chart up and let y'all see it. You know what? Yes, I can. We can pull it up here. Y'all see this chart? Pancake swap look at this, 68 cents. Look at the price. Look at it. Just look at it, y'all. I just want y'all to see this. Just look at how the price constantly is going up. Just imagine those that jumped in at 68 cents. It was cheaper than 68 cents. That's why I started. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it. I got in the $2 range. But just look at it go. Just look at it. Boom. Boom. 7. Then it dipped. A lot of people are like, oh man, it's dead. A lot of people panic and sold. And look at it. Look what it did. Dipped again, it panicked, and now what is it doing? Can we say $10 pancake? Woo! Can you say $10 pancake, y'all? Family? Wow. Can we say $10? I can say $10 cake, man. Y'all need to join the class. If you like the information, thumb up the video, family. Hey. Here go a little bit more news. We're gonna get up out of here, right? Tesla and Elon Musk. It says Tesla may have already made more in profits from Bitcoin than electric vehicles. Do you hear this? This company, Tesla, made waves earlier this month by announcing it had purchased 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. The move sent the cryptocurrency higher and has also turned some impressive profits from the electric vehicle maker. Listen at this, y'all. Bitcoin hit 50K for the first time on Tuesday, continuing 2021 rally that has sent the largest cryptocurrency higher on increased adoption and public companies placing bets on the future. Tesla purchased 1.5 billion in Bitcoin in the month of January. Although the company hasn't revealed its average purchase price of how many Bitcoin it holds, but in the month of January, Bitcoin traded between 29,000 and 37,000. A 1.5 billion purchase could have got Tesla anywhere between 37 and 51,000 Bitcoin. The average will come out to 44,000 Bitcoin. Based on these scenarios, the value of Tesla Bitcoin is worth the following with the current Bitcoin price. So, you see the profits. At 51,000 Bitcoin, the profit is 0.98 billion, 44.64 billion, 37.29 billion. Why it's important? Tesla Bitcoin purchase created validation of the cryptocurrency for some of it, as seen as a stepping stone for other public traded companies to also make a similar move. But hold up. But here we go. Tesla reported its first profitable year in fiscal 2020 was 721 million, which came after a loss of 862 million in fiscal 2019. Tesla reported only a couple quarter profits prior to fiscal 2020. Given the years of net losses from its businesses, it's possible Tesla made more in profit off of its single 1.5 billion purchase than it did off the profits from cars in the last decade. Do y'all see this? Given the years of net losses from its business, it's possible Tesla made more in profit off of its single 1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase than it did off the profits from its cars in the last decade. So family, it is possible that Tesla made more money in 1 month off their investment in Bitcoin than they have made in their total existence of selling these cars. And y'all wonder why I've been talking about this market. Family, don't miss this boat. The market is the market. So hold on, where we stopped at? Where we stopped at? Hold on. Pancake swap, not pancake swap, right? Look at NEXO, $1.78. Man, oh man. Nano at $6.40. Man, oh man. Family, this market is what you want to be in. Indicoin at 54 cents. Indicoin at 54 cents. This market is really on fire, family. It's on fire like you've never seen before. And let me see. Let me show y'all something. Is this the one? Oh, Panda yield, $5.20. It's up 51,000. Panda yield is up 51,142.20%. Panda yield had a low. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? If you stay to the end of this video, you done seen something that blew your Panda yield. The low was 67,950 Satoshis. I might have said that wrong. But the lower panda yield was not even a penny. And in 24 hours, it is up to $5.20. Now, family, I told y'all about panda yield. When I made the video about pancake swap, I mentioned panda yield. This thing is up 51,370%. And family, you want to join the class because you know all my students know about panda yield because I put them on game. We in panda yield too, buddy. Yo, family, y'all better join this class, man. That's all I'm gonna tell you, man. Join the class, man. Y'all see this? I just want you to see this. This thing is up 51,336%. 51,336% in 24 hours. In less than 24 hours, this thing is up 51,000%. Y'all better join this class. I'm not gonna show, I will show you, you know what? I'm not gonna show y'all no more because it's not fair to my students. Y'all better jump, y'all better pay that $99. Can you imagine buying this coin when it won't even a penny? And now it's $5. Love y'all, family. Listen, I appreciate y'all watching this episode of Max Crypto News. If you like the content and you want to join the class, if you like the content, hit the thumb up button, hit the like button, subscribe to the page, and I'll holler at y'all on the next video. Peace. Why do? I love y'all.